how to shop from my Instagram page. If I embedded an item to my website, you will see the little shopping bag on the left side in the circle. And then you'll be able to access the links to my individual items. Now, you're still on Instagram right here, so you're going to have to click on what you like, pick an item, click on it, and then there's going to be a blue bar that says view on my website. That is what's going to get you to my website. So click the blue bar under the item you want to see. Now you're going to my website. If you see the hand, that's me. That's telling you that it's pickup only. Here's the listing, all the info you need, lots of pictures. There's the purchase button. And I also have some reviews from my Etsy there. So you're going to click the purchase button, and that is going to add it to your cart. And you're going to be able to see your cart and go through the checkout experience directly on my website. Thanks so much for shopping with me on my website. I'm saving you up to 20% off my Etsy and Cherish shops from buying directly and from coming to pick it up in my showroom. Thanks. I look forward to working with you soon.